That's working the video, and here is it. So after doing this, your phone will not shut down without telling you that, bro, go and get your charger, go and get your charger, go and get your charger, yeah, go and get your charger. So your phone will just alert you to let you know that I'm turning off, I am at 1%, the last percentage of your phone battery, and when it gets to 0, the phone will just switch off. So if you have your charger nearby, go and get your charger. Okay, so let me show you this. But if you're new, just subscribe and like, because more videos can here on this platform. Let's start with it and let's dive in, and let me show you how you do it on your phone settings. And I'm talking about Android. So if you use iPhone, just subscribe. I will check everything, and then if anything else, I will let you know right here in this page. Okay, so let's start this. Let's go. Okay, so this is how this will work. Okay, so now you can see my battery health is at 2%. Okay, sorry, battery percentage is at 2%. Okay, so before the phone just shut down, it will show you a pop-up alert, and maybe you may be doing something and it will give you the alert. Okay, so as we browse online, okay, so right now we are on TikTok, and you can also follow us on TikTok for more videos as well. Okay, and like the video for me, because more videos will be coming here on this platform. Okay, so we'll be using this device, and I will just forward this video till we see the pop-up, so that we will know how this really works. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so you can see phone will shut down, connect your charger. So I have my power bank right here, and we are just going to charge. Okay, otherwise the phone will go off when it reaches here. Okay, so you can see just like a timer. So let me just connect, and then you just saw it's gone. Okay, but when you just unplug, you can see phone will shut down. So connect your charger. So if you don't connect your charger, your phone will surely go off. And let me show you how you can just activate this one. So like the video and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. So just go to your phone settings, just go to your phone settings, just scroll down right here and look for battery. Okay, look for battery lab and tap on battery lab. Go to battery settings. Okay, and then we have battery percentage, which will just show you whether 1% or 2%. So in case you have been finding difficult turning it on, this video has shown you how. Just turn it on right here, and this is it. Low battery shutdown warning. You will be warned 30 seconds before shutdown, okay, due to low battery. So if you unplug right now, it will just give you 30 seconds. From here to here is 30 seconds. So right now you spend like 5 seconds to almost close 10 seconds right now. And yes, so if I'm to leave this phone down just like this, it will just go off. Okay, so this will just alert you. Otherwise you'll be having your phone and then you will see it go off just like that. Okay, so with this one, when you see the alert, okay, when you see the alert like this, you can just run for your charger. You can just run for your charger, you plug, and then you will start to use. Okay, this is a useful update in Android. Okay, so I think with iPhone as well, maybe they can do that. I know most of you will be like, they will give you alert when it is 10% and then those times, but Charlie, we sometimes just ignore those ones. But with this one, this is more or less like a big one. Whether you like it or not, you run for your charger. This is the last battery on your phone. Okay, so just run for your charger, you plug, and then you continue to use.